What's going on, folks? I'm sorry, my computer just shut off, and there's been a lot of technical difficulties today, but let's get through it, because we persevere, because we have grit. Hooah! Anyway, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to some graphs, and the first graph that I'm going to do is a pretty simple one. It is this graph right here. I think that you guys all know and love it. I know I sure do. It is called a line. It's not much of a graph, and that's not much of a good pen, so let's see if we can get a better pen that works. Hello. You can barely see that one too. I wonder if these pens that are on my table work. Let me just try grabbing one. Oh, come on. Come on, there we go. Awesome. Okay, let's do this. Hopefully this one works better. There we go. Alright, so this graph right here is a line. It looks like this. Let's talk about some features of this line. What is the equation? What's the only equation you guys really remember about a line? Come on, I want everything. Y equals blah, blah, blah. Come on, you know it. Get your brains. Mx plus b, there we go. Now, M represents the what? No, I'm not making muscle. It's a slope, yeah. This was kind of like, you know, the angle of the line. It's a slope. Alright, so it's a slope. If I have a high slope, it would be like this. If I have a low slope, it would be like that. M actually represents the slope, which is actually the rise over the run. So the change in height, which is the delta y, over the change in run, which is delta x. That's what that means. That's what those delta means. It just means the change in. So if you ever want the change in, you would take the final minus the initial. That's what it is. So it's y final minus y initial divided by x final minus x initial. The b in this case represents this point right here that we call the y-intercept. Why do we call it b? Anyone? If you don't know, say I don't know, but I'm going to give you 10 seconds to answer. Why is it called b? I got an I don't know. I got an I don't know. I'll tell you the answer. It is I don't know either. They just do. Alright, just deal with it, okay? Because I have no idea why they call it B. Boosh. Booshaka. Anyway, I have no idea. B. Why would you call it B? It's a Y-intercept. I mean, you should call it like Y naught or something like that. I don't know. Or Y sub-zero or whatever. But they called it B. Deal with it. Alright. So, that is a linear graph. Moving on to the next. The next graph I want to introduce to you is this one right here. This bad boy right here.